let's find out those mid-cap strategies. What is it that our chartists are looking at as individual stock recommendations? We've got Kunal and Nooresh right back with us. And Kunal, let's get your first chartbuster call.
Well, Avan, it's MRPL, a stock which on the short-term charts is showing signs of a mean reversion in terms of trend line. So over the last 7 or 8 months, the stock has been trying to take support at this rising trend line. This is the short-term support trend line for MRPL. Every time the stock gets into a phase of consolidation over here, tries to retest over the trend line and then gets into a breakout mode. The breakout lasts for a short duration of time, but the extent of the breakout is more than 15 to 20% for the stock price. We've seen that multiple times for the stock when it tries to come closer to this trend line, then breaks out and then moves the range or shifts the range on the higher side for the stock price. Even recently, the stock has gone through a similar retest of the trend line. It's gone through a phase of consolidation over here. I would expect a breakout pretty soon for the stock price. So the risk reward for going long into the stock is pretty much on the stronger side, and would look out for a breakout about this 96-97 mark for the stock. And looking at the historical context, we could be looking at least a 10 to 15% rise for the stock over the very near term.
Right, Nooresh. What about the chartbuster that you're identifying?
So that's the chart for GAIL India. The stock has been slowly and steadily making a move over the last 6 months. In the short term, it gave a breakout of 115, went up to 120, again did a retest. Again made a breakout about 120, went up to 130, did a retest. So a classical formation where it makes a breakout, does a retest, and then again makes a fresh move. So in this structure, the next move should be towards 130 to 150 levels, a buy at current levels with a stop loss at 150.
Let's find out those individual stock calls then. And Kunal, what's on your radar?
So PSU Bank still in flavor. Union Bank is something which I would highlight at current levels, trading at 108.9 levels. Would suggest a buy for a 120 target and stop loss at 102. And from the real estate pack, Oberoi Realty is something which is now looking strong on the hourly time frame charts. So would suggest a buy with 1200 as a target, stop loss at 1138.
Okay, and Nooresh, what's on your radar today?
First is the buy on Axis Bank, a clear-cut leader making new 52-week highs, wherein we are seeing a correction in the Bank Nifty. Stop loss at 1000, target price of 1150. Second is the buy on SBI, which is now consolidating. A good risk-reward trade here. Stop loss at 584, target price of 625.